You know, it's times like this when I really like to say,
I'll kill you!
Go that way!
Let's go!
Come on! I've gotta hide! No matter what happens, stay down!
Blake, no! What are you doing?
You think it's over?
No, I can explain!
All your little stuff did was buy them time.
No, please, please!
I'll get more grasshoppers and be back next season, but you won't.
Well, what's this? Another one of your little bird tricks? Are there a bunch of little girls in this one too? Hello, girls!
Nope.
No!
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me! Fatality.